so many hairstyles out there that you can wear and that you can rock. And having natural hair does not limit you. In fact, the sky's the limit when it comes to hairstyles. I will link my video, Natural Hairstyles for Black Women, in the comment section below, so you can also view different hairstyles that you can wear as a natural hair wearer. But going back to today's topic, within the variety of hairstyles that are out there, there's also versatility. And one of my favorite go-to hairstyles are two-strand twists, as you can see. I love this hairstyle. Not only because of the benefits that it has on my hair, but also the versatility that I can use in rocking this hairstyle. So today in this video, we're going to talk about why should you wear hair twists and what benefits does it have on your hair. I'm Rolandine Vaughn of Naturally You Hair Products, where our passion is supplying you with all natural hair products containing only 100% natural ingredients that will not compromise your overall health. We're talking about ingredients that you've used in the past and that you love, ingredients that you can recognize and that you can pronounce, and ingredients that will promote healthy hair growth. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you can get more weekly healthy hair tips. All the links mentioned in this video will be in the description box below, and don't forget to wait to the end of the video where I'll show you how I twist my natural hair. So let's get straight into it. The benefits of wearing twists in your hair. You can wear them big, you can wear them small. Now, if you are going to wear two-strand twists small in your hair, you have to have the patience to put them in. But that patience will pay off, because you can wear these twists at least 2 weeks and up to 4 weeks, a month if you're daring. Me personally, I like to wash my hair twice a month, so I usually don't wear my twists more than 2 to 3 weeks. 3 weeks if I have a lot going on and I just have to stretch it out. But the versatility is there. I mean, you can wear the twists up, you can wear them down, you can wear them in a ponytail, you can wear them in a bun, you can wear them in a mohawk, you can do a twist out. I usually like to rock my twist outs toward the end of my wearing of my twists, only because it gives a different look, and it also allows for accessibility, easy accessibility for my next wash day. And as if the versatility and the time that you can wear the twists are not enough, you can even trim your hair in twists. In fact, that's the only way I do trim my hair. I do have a video on natural hair twist trimming at home, and I'll put that link in the description box below for you.
Here's a quick video of me twisting my hair. Well, that clock is loud. But I did apply some moisturizer, Naturally You moisturizer, to my roots. And the way I twist my hair to keep it looking neat for a longer period of time, I plait at the root. And then I start twisting.
So no matter what type of hair texture you have, be it if it's kinky, curly, wavy, straight, relaxed, or permed, color treated, it does not matter. Your number one priority should be hair care if you want your hair to thrive, to be healthy, and to grow. So why not use all natural hair products? Products that contain ingredients that you can recognize, that you can pronounce, that won't compromise your overall health, that will moisturize your hair, allow and promote hair growth, and are free of chemicals and fillers. Naturally You Hair Product Collection is just that. It's perfect not only for hair health, but it's also great for wearing twists. For instance, especially our moisturizer is a great hair dress or styling agent that moisturizes your hair strands. Our leave-in conditioner conditions hair with its fine mist spray, allowing twists to look even fresher than they really are, especially for our twist wearers that are trying to stretch it past the 2 weeks to even a month. Our scalp oil is good because it is packed with ingredients specifically to promote hair growth so that it nourishes the scalp. Click that Naturally You link below to order your authentic, all natural, Naturally You hair products now. You can also read up on all of our products and customer testimonials on our website. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any hair questions or comments that you want us to talk about, just leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you can get more weekly healthy hair tips. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.